A camera may work with the light of the visible spectrum or with the other portions of the electromagnetic spectrum. A still camera is an optical device which creates a single image of an object or scene and records it on an electronic sensor or photographic film. All cameras use the same basic design. Light enters an enclosed box through a converging lens and an image is recorded on a light sensitive medium. A shutter mechanism controls the length of time that light can enter the camera. Most photographic cameras have functions that allow a person to view the scene to be recorded, allow for a desired part of the scene to be in focus, and to control the exposure so that it is not too bright or too dim.
In principle, film is an image converter. It converts radiation, typically light, into various shades of gray or optical density values. An important characteristic of film is that it records or retains an image. An exposure of a fraction of a second can create a permanent image. The amount of exposure required to produce an image depends on the sensitivity or speed of the film being used. Some films are more sensitive than others because of their design or the way they are processed. The sensitivity of radiographic film is generally selected to provide compromise between two very important factors: patient exposure or image quality, specifically image noise. A highly sensitive film reduces patient exposure but decreases image quality because of the increased image noise and vice versa.
The production of an image requires two steps. First, the film is exposed to radiation, typically light, which activates the emulsion material but produces no visible change. The exposure creates a so-called latent image. Second, the exposed film is treated in a series of chemical baths which are closely monitored and maintained at a specific temperature and treatment time, which convert the invisible latent image into an image that is visible as different optical densities or shades of gray. The darkness or density of the film increases as the exposure is increased.
This film is developed into color photograph by C41 process. The color developer develops the silver negative image and byproducts activate the dye couplers to form color dyes in each emulsion layer. A rehalogenizing bleach converts the developed silver image into silver halides. A fixer removes the silver salts. The film is washed, stabilized, dried and cut.
Thank you for watching the video.